How's it going, everybody? Rob here, back with another video, and well, we're going to be doing another reaction. This time focusing on some more RWBY content. We are doing Volume 2, Episode 4. Really looking forward to continuing this story. Last video, it was revealed that Penny was a robot, so yeah, it's going to be awesome. Let's go ahead and get right into this. This is gonna be good. I love this intro, by the way. Oh, man. This looks so awesome. Looking forward to those fights. Okay.
Penny, I don't understand. Most girls are born, but I was made. I'm the world's first synthetic person capable of generating an aura.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
I'm not real.
Yeah, she's just a robot.
Of course you are. You think just because you've got nuts and bolts instead of squishy guts makes you any less real than me? I don't... You're taking this extraordinarily well.
Yeah.
You're not like those things we saw back there. You've got a heart and a soul. I can feel it. Oh, Ruby, you're the best friend anyone could have. I can see why your father would want to protect such a delicate flower. Oh, he's very sweet. My father's the one that built me. I'm sure you would just love him. Wow, he built you all by himself? Well, almost. He had some help from Mr. Ironwood. The general? Wait, is that why those soldiers were after you? They like to protect me too.
Yeah.
They don't think you can protect yourself? They're not sure if I'm ready yet. One day, it will be my job to save the world. But I still have a lot left to learn. That's why my father let me come to the Vital Festival. I want to see what it's like in the rest of the world and test myself in the tournament. Penny, what are you talking about? Save the world from what? We're in a time of peace. That's not what Mr. Ironwood said.
Oh, the truth comes out. I forgot about that, yeah. So it's like, oh. I mean, to an extent, she knows something, but nobody else is gonna know.
You have to hide. No, Penny, what are you doing? You don't have to go with them. I can help you.
Oh.
It's okay, Ruby. They're not bad people. I just don't want you to get in trouble. Just promise me you won't tell anyone about my secret, okay? I promise. Salutations, officers!
Why were you running? What happened to the other girl?
What girl? I've been by myself all day.
You shouldn't cause such a scene. Are you okay?
Just a scratch.
Penny, your father isn't going to be happy about this. Please, just come with us.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, that was probably like a rat or something. Okay.
Come on, my friend's right in here.
Oh. And where exactly is here?
Oh, it's the nightclub from her intro. Isn't it? Yep. That's kind of cool.
What are you two idiots doing?
Junior, she's the one with
Okay, that's... In a sense, you know, that's kind of... appropriate response. Oh no. Oh no.
Yeah, so could you define friend for me?
Stop! Nobody shoot.
Okay.
You're here. Why?
You still owe me a drink.
Okay.
What a woman.
The fuck?
Sup?
Whatever.
Heh.
This is it.
You sure? You know, I'm just gonna take your word for it. New recruits, keep to the right. I don't get
Okay.
it. If you believe what you're doing is right, why hide who you are?
The masks are a symbol. Humanity wanted to make monsters out of us, so we chose to don the faces of monsters.
Grim masks? That's kind of dark.
So was the guy who started it.
Always sunshine and rainbows with you.
Oh boy.
Thank you all for coming. For those of you who are joining us for the first time tonight, allow me to introduce a very special comrade of ours. I can assure you, he is the key to obtaining what we have fought for so long.
Thank you! Thank you! Please, hold your applause.
What's a human doing here?
I'm glad you asked, dearie. Now, I'll be the first to admit, humans are the worst. Case in point. So, I understand why you would love to see us all locked away, or better yet, killed. But,
So is he going somewhere with this, or?
I'd like to mention the fact that you and I all have a common enemy. The ones in control, the people pulling the strings, the dirty
Okay.
rotten humans that run our kingdoms. Government, military, even the schools, they're all to blame for your lot in life.
Not okay.
And they're
This
all
guy's
pests
really
that
kind
need to
of
be dealt with.
kind of rile him up.
Fortunately, I'm the best exterminator around.
Oh, sure you
No
are,
offense to
dude.
any rodents in the room.
Oh no.
Oh, that's a big robot.
How did he get that?
As some of you may have heard, this right here is Atlas's newest line of defense against all the scary things in the world. And thanks to my employer, we've managed to snag a few before they hit the shelves. Now, many of your brothers have already moved down to our new operation in the southeast. If you'd rather stay within the city, that's fine. But if you're truly ready to fight for what you believe in, this is the arsenal I can provide you. Any questions?
Dude, he really is gonna get them riled up.
All new recruits, please come forward.
Well,
Oh, this ain't good. They're gonna be caught.
I don't know.
How can you not know?
I haven't talked to him. I haven't even seen him since the night you first came in here. He paid up front, I lent him my men, and none of them ever came back.
so where did they go?
What kind of stupid question is that? They never came back. Who is this guy?
Don't worry about him. Worry about me if I don't find out what I want.
I already told you everything. Torchwick hired my boys, and I guess he wasn't happy with them. Which is something I can relate to.
Yeah.
Come on, Neptune.
Did we get everything we need?
Well, we got everything we can. Hopefully the rest of the team is having better luck.
This ain't good. They're gonna be caught.
What are we gonna do? I'm thinking.
Run. It's probably gonna be run.
He sees us. He can't see in the dark.
Oh, that ain't good. Oh, jeez.
So you wouldn't have to have, oh, I don't know, some form of backup?
On it! Everyone, if you can hear me, we need that!
Okay.
They got a robot, and it's big, really big.
I am not missing this!
That's what your guys in it. But not like, it didn't eat him. He's like controlling it or something.
Where are you guys?
No.
I think that was them.
Yeah, that
I
was
saw
them. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, jeez. That sucks to be that person. And that person. And that person. Sucks for all of these people.
Slow it down.
Dude.
Hold on.
By the way, where did all of... Like, I just realized, I mean, in terms of, like... Where did all this city come from? Like... I don't remember there being much of city. Oh, that's kind of cool. Okay. Oh, okay, that's cool.
Deputy, hang on.
Huh. Nice. Oh!
I'm in position!
Oh no. Oh, yep. There it goes. Okay. Looks like you can't see them right now. Okay. Okay, how are they gonna beat it? Okay. Almost got it. Oh!
Checkmate!
How's that checkmate? It's not like, oh, well, they damaged the eye. Okay. Oh, boy. Well, there goes, okay. Never mind. So what, did it speed her up? Okay. Ladybug? Oh, she's calling out attack names. Okay. Well, they damaged it more. Ooh!
Yay! Don't worry. With each hit, she gets stronger, and she uses that energy to fight back. That's what makes her special.
Okay. So, yeah, no, you're screwed, dude. Yep. It's been disarmed. There we go. That's awesome.
And how do you propose we do that? Ice flowers!
Okay. Oh! Oh, nice! She's just building up momentum. Oh, okay. Ooh! Oh, that's awesome!
Just got this thing cleaned. Ladies, Ice Queen, always a pleasure.
The running gag of her being called the Ice Queen. Okay. Okay.
So I guess you got a new henchman. Yeah, I guess she really made our plans fall apart.
Boo.
No, just no. What? Wait, you do it. There's a time and a place for jokes. Was this not it? No, it just wasn't very good.
It just
Well,
wasn't
at
very
least
good.
I tried. Wait, where's Sun and Neptune?
Yeah.
Probably fine, right?
Oh.
Probably.
They just stopped for noodles. What dicks. Okay. You know what? I'm not gonna lie. I mean, after them getting, like, you know, thrown off a freaking freeway. Okay, you know what? They had to deserve noodles. Okay. Well, that was a lot of fun. I absolutely enjoyed that. And hopefully you guys did too. I think for now, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Truly appreciate it. If you guys can, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, all the good stuff. If you guys want to follow us on social media, it's all in the description down below. As well as check out our daily content and the weekly podcast. With that being said, this is Novakast signing off. Have a good one. Take care, and I'll see you guys next video.